Híjole. Híjole. This expression or interjection is used in Mexico, to express surprise, exasperation, or regret. Okay, so if you are surprised by something, good, mostly bad, I would say mostly bad, or if you're not happy about something happening, or you're, like, oh, you forgot something, oh my God, híjole. It's like saying, geez, it's like saying, damn it, or just like saying, even like something like crap or something like that. It's not a bad word. Híjole is not a bad word. You can say it whenever you really feel like using this expression. But yeah, it's mostly used when you're surprised or when you're a little angry or frustrated, or, if you're regretting something as well. Híjole, se me olvidaron las llaves. Híjole. So this has a very peculiar pronunciation. Don't forget about the accent mark. Híjole. It's not híjole. It's híjole. Híjole. Se me olvidaron las llaves. Jeez. I forgot the keys. Or shoot, I forgot the keys. So it's a very, very good expression if you just want to express surprise, regret, frustration, all of that. Okay? Even if you forgot something like the keys, you can use the expression for sure.